If you're planning a full gut renovation like this one, especially when you're removing walls, you absolutely want a structural engineer involved. Let me show you why, starting right here in the basement. We're removing some walls, which means we're changing how the weight, or load, of the house is distributed. That load needs to transfer down properly, or things can literally collapse. A structural engineer calculates where that weight should go. They tell us where to add support beams, how thick they should be, and what kind of footings we'll need to safely hold the new structure. Up here on the main floor, it's tempting to knock down walls for an open layout, but not every wall is safe to remove. Some are load-bearing, and removing one without reinforcement is a disaster waiting to happen. That's why we brought in a structural engineer before doing anything. They gave us the green light after designing this beam, which now carries the weight that wall used to support. So, do you really need a structural engineer for your renovation? If you're touching anything structural, the answer is 100% yes. It's not just about code, it's about safety and doing it right. Follow for more real home renovation tips, from blueprint to build.